Routing automation can reduce PCB layout time by up to 80%. With electronics design becoming more complex, automation is a major advantage for both experienced designers and engineers who do it all. PADS Professional delivers unique technologies that combine ease of use with highly automated PCB routing functionality, resulting in high quality and accelerated time to results, even for complex PCB designs. Routing within the Layout tool provides a set of highly integrated and automated routing features, including the Sketch Router. These tools facilitate an automated routing experience that includes intuitive user control, high quality, and exceptional performance. Once a PCB has been fully designed, the tool can easily create many different types of manufacturing outputs, including ODB++.